para kay Bello. Pass to Gulayan. Pass, basket and one. Gulayan kicks out. Gonzales drive. Inside, please. Yes, sir. Gonzales. And here you go. Fabro straight to the hoops. Basket and one. Fabro. Bounce pass. Bringas behind the back pass. Open look. Wide open. Bang! Yumo! Welcome to Abra Intertown. La Paz versus Bocas break. In lace. Gulayan, no good. Reverse layup, no good. Bringas. Pass to Gonzales. Attacking the defense. Create space. The floater. No good. Reber Jimenez. Jimenez now. Bounce pass. Picks. Inside pass. Pass. Oh, Bello with a finish. Yumol. High pass to the middle. Gonzales. Pass to Gonzales. Screen by Banez. Pull up jumper off the glass. Bucket for the lead. And here you go. Fabro straight to the hoops. Basket and one. Fabro. Pass. The long pass. Gonzales. Pass to Banez. Gonzales. Attacks. No look pass inside. Batino bump. Pass. Bucket. Batino. Reverente inbounding corner pass. Goal line. Pull up J. Bullseye. Here's Bringas. To Yumol. Pass to the middle. Batino. Pull up J. Bullseye. And here's Meneses. Corner. Reverente picks. Drives. Side step. Fires off the window. Bucket. Gonzales. Against Gulayan. Pass to Yumol. Yumol. Goes to the screen. Side step. Kicks out. Gonzales drive. Inside leash. Yes sir. Gonzales. And here's Fabro. Drives. Pinabitin to the hoops. No good. Rebound put back. Bucket. Fabro. Gonzales. At the top. He stops. Bounce pass. And Bringas behind the back pass. Open look. Wild open. Bang! Yumol. Pass to Gulayan. Bam! Pass. Basket and one. Gulayan. Reverente. Spins. Pass. Reverente. Bucket for third. Gonzales. Stops. High pass. Inside. Batino picks. Reverse layup. Bucket. Batino. Meneses goes to the middle. He attacks. Elise. Yes sir. Meneses. And here's Gonzales. Drives to the hoops. Bucket. The answer. And Gulayan. Pinoy step. Hook shot. Bucket. End of. And here's Giev. Attacks the floater. In and out. Rebound. Kicks out. Bello to Gulayan. Giev. Giev crossover. Stop. Pull up J. Bullseye. Giev. Long pass. Bringas. Bringas. Lost the handle. Stolen. Giev. Giev. Pass to Fabro. Fabro. Attacks. Lace. Basket and one. Fabro. Backdoor inbound for Giev to the corner. Pass to the middle. Reverente picks. Crossover move. Kicks out. And pass to Fabro. Fabro di discarte. He stops. Pull up jumper at the free throw area. Bullseye. Giev now. Attacks. Pull up jumper at the free throw area. Bucket. Giev. Pass to Gonzales. Takes lace. Yes sir. Gonzales. Between the legs. Yumol attacks the floater. Bucket. Yumol. And here's Fabro against three defender. Rope. Stop. For three. Bam! Oh! Bang! 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 Gonzales. The long pass. Bringas the pass. And here's Giev. Kicks out. Open look again. Wild open for three. Won't go. Rebound. Pass. Gulayan inside pass. Another one. Fabro for three. Bang! 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 Pass to the middle. Batino. And kicks to Gonzales. Batino bump. Reverse layup. Bucket. Batino. Giev. Giev. Goes to the middle, kicks out, open look, Gulayan, no good. Rebound, Giyeb. He goes out. Giyeb, corner. Bello, Giyeb, pull up G, bullseye again. And Martinez, pass is stolen again. And Reverente, side step, pass. Pinoy step in the pitch. The long pass. Nakagaw ni Pabro. Pabro, stop the flow. Wide open, bang! Bang, 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 bang! Gulayan at the top. Giyeb to the middle. Liz, bucket of the glass. Meneses. And, corner. Yumol, bounce pass. Gonzalez goes to the screen. Dalis, bucket, Gonzalez. Meneses, pass to Pablo, pull up J. In and out, and a follow-up shot by Meneses. Meneses looking for receiver, bounce pass. Liz, bucket, Gulayan. Meneses, Reverente to Meneses. Pass to Pablo, posting up, hook shot, bucket, Pablo. Pass to Martinez, Batino to Gonzalez. High pass, Martinez attacks, inside pass, pass of the gas. Back to Meneses. Meneses stops to the corner, Reverente for 3. Bang! Martinez. Pass to the middle. Bringas. Bringas goes to the screen, bounce pass. Banyes, side step, bucket, but Banyes. Gonzalez inbounding. Martinez for 3. Bang! Meneses against Banyes to the middle. Reverente. Pass to Meneses. Reverente picks. Step back. Pull up G. Bullseye. Banyes to the middle. Yumol for 3. Bang! Yumol. Yumol. Pass. The long pass. Please. Gonzalez. Bucket for 2. The long pass. Eksakto yung pasa. Big spins. Pabro shot. Bucket. Oh! And here's Gonzalez behind the back dribble. Creating space. He attacks. Goes inside. Pinasa. Martinez. Basket and 1. And here's Gonzalez, drives to the hoops, bucket of the glass. Nagawan. Ito na, nauna. Giyeb left place, no good. Rebound, Pabro, binitbit. Easy bucket, sinausa. The end, bounding. Martinez against Giyeb. And ball is stolen. Here's Giyeb. Giyeb. Pinasa sa gitnang gandang pasa. The pass and the offense. And here's Giyeb. Giyeb to the middle. Alley-oop pass and receives, kicks out. Pabro. Open look corner. Bullseye. Bringas. Pass to Gonzalez. Gonzalez. And na-recover. Attack. Side step please. Bucket. Gonzalez. Giyeb. High pass, Pabro. Pass to number 6. And recover. To the middle, Meneses. Meneses against Bringas. Attacks, binitbit, lays, inausaw! And Yumol. Corner pass, Batino, one bounce. Reverse layup. Yes, sir, Batino. Giyeb. Pass to Meneses. To Giyeb. Attacks. Pinasa kay Meneses. Oh, what addition, the finish! And the pass, Yumol. Bounce pass sa gitna for 3. Bang! 3 points. Giyeb. Pass to Gulayan. To Giyeb. To Gulayan. To Giyeb. Attacking the defense. The floater. Bucket. In your face. Giyeb. Gonzalez will attack. Binitbit lays. Yes, sir. Gonzalez. Goes to the middle. He attacks. Pull up jumper. Bullseye. Give. Long pass. Gonzalez. Pinoy step. Reverse layup. Yes, sir. Colin. And here's Gonzalez. Stop for 3. No good. Rebound. Gonzalez. Pinamekus. Bakit? Gonzalez. Give. Gieva. Attacks. Bounce pass. Pabro. Easy lace. Pabro. He spins. Penetrates. Hook shot. No good. Batino. Pass. Basket and 1. Give. Crossover. Kicks out. Attacks. To the hoops. Bakit? Meneses. Sales. Corner pass. Martinez. Stolen. And the pass break. Ito na, Meneses. Oh my! Gonzalez. Drives. Floater. Bounce off the glass. Congratulations, Team Buklok.